All right, so let's talk about practicing scales a little bit. One trap that people get into is that they think that scales are for speed. Now, there are a lot of great guitarists who can play scales very, very fast, but that's not really the point of practicing scales. We're just really practicing the shapes, right? We're practicing playing from one string to another, right? Trying to make it sound really, really smooth. One tip is if the audience had their eyes closed, can they tell that you're changing strings, right? What do I mean by changing strings? Well, see how right there I changed the string, right? Right? So you don't want to hear something, right? You want it to be nice and smooth. So it's one continuous idea. That's a great way to practice that. You can also practice our rhythm patterns, right? We talked about that earlier. We have eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and, or maybe triplets. Right? So remember, practicing scales is really about, let's learn the pattern, right? That's part of it. Let's be able to play the scale through smoothly. Let's be able to use all of our fingers, and let's alternate picking. And practicing your scales is a great way to improve your playing.